This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Allow the engine to cool completely before attempting to remove any of the spark plugs. Pull up on the engine cover and remove it. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the remote ground terminal. Then isolate the cable by securing the insulated part onto the stud, then screw on the nut. Remove the ignition coil mounting bolt. Then disconnect the coil electrical connector. Remove the ignition coil by twisting it slightly, then pulling it straight up and out. Use a spark plug socket and ratchet to loosen and remove the spark plug. Before installing the new spark plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the plugs. Install the new plugs and be sure to avoid cross-threading them. Always start by screwing them in by hand, making sure they screw in easily. Tighten the plugs to a torque of 20 foot-pounds. Install the ignition coils onto the plugs and the coil mounting fasteners. Tighten the fasteners securely, but do not over-tighten them. Connect the ignition coil electrical connectors. Connect the negative battery cable on the remote ground terminal. Install the engine cover and push down to secure it.